I want you to focus today on unleashing inspiration. So the activity that's going to really help you unleash inspiration is two-part. Number one, grab a journal and write out 100 things that you want to do before you die. Whether that is faith related, wellness related, business related, family related, travel related, whatever that is. So just let your heart go. Don't think about the resources. Don't think about your circumstances. Just let your heart go and flow with the 100 things that you want to experience, feel, do, have before you die. Okay? Part two, pick 10 things that you want to do over the next 5 to 10 years and write them out as single statements. For example, number one on my list every single day when I write this down, so yes, I'm right here with you practicing it, is I am a beautiful, wonderful child of God, full of fruits and gifts of the Spirit. That's number one, because I want to keep that at the forefront. Then number two is I'm exceptionally healthy in every way. And I'm a role model and a cover model on global and or national magazines, God willing, for God's glory. So you can see how things are specific. And then I also mention on number two, within the next 3 years or less. So I'm flexible, but I'm flowing, but I'm also putting a target. And then I'm constantly transforming as far as with health, with wealth, with business, with faith and everything. If you followed me for any amount of time, then you know that my jam is transformation. So how will you unleash inspiration next? Comment down below by when you're going to do part one and part two, and can't wait to see, and come back and comment what ended up coming up for you in part one in the 100 things, and or in part two with the 10 things. Okay, so I can't wait to see how you